Welcome to Black Friday, or the Black Friday weeks, or the Black Friday month. It just seems to be crazier and crazier and longer promotions every single year. So many different Black Friday deals, but also other just great products that I think that you should get for Black Friday or just for the upcoming holidays. So I think that the best way to actually be as clear as possible and not to waste any of your time is just divide this up into as many videos that we need over the next couple of days. So in this video will be purely about the Black Friday deals that I can personally recommend, since I have been using these products in one way or another. And then later this week I will go over my absolute top recommendations, for example for accessories if you are purchasing a brand new maybe Bambu Lab A1 or maybe a P1S or even maybe a P2S if you're not living in the US. But first things first, and we are going to talk about the specific Black Friday deals. Of course, as you might see behind me right here, we are going to start talking about Bambu Lab, since that is the brand I have most experience with and also the brand I think I've personally spent the most money at as well. Since, believe it or not, I am not sponsored by Bambu Lab and there's also not a single Bambu Lab affiliate link down in the description. But I think all the other brands I will be talking about in this video will have a Lucas Engström affiliate link down in the description, which I highly recommend to use because that will actually support my channel without any extra cost to you. And I also have my Amazon web shop as well, where I put every single item that I'm using and I personally recommend that is available on Amazon. We of course need to start with Bambu Lab's filament bulk sale, where they now have an 18 spool bulk discount. Now Bambu Lab has had these bulk discounts for quite some time. I think at least the 4 spool, maybe the 6 and up to 10 spools discounts, but this 18 spool tier is, at least as far as I know, new for this year's Black Friday. And with Bambu Lab's greatest discount you can actually get up to 47% off with as low as 10.99 per roll if you do want to get a refill spool, or 12.64 USD if you do want 18 rolls with a spool as well. And it actually gets up to 57% off, or 9.89 euros per roll if you do live in Europe and are okay with the refill spools. And as Bambu Lab themselves state on their website, this is their lowest price of 2025, and I have actually taken advantage of this 18 spool bulk discount myself and the 6 spool bulk discount to my dad back home in Sweden. And I also got some other accessories with that order as well, which I will talk about in a future video. Going over to the Bambu Lab printers, ever since I did my own research like over 6 months ago, I still think that the Bambu Lab A1 combo with the AMS light unit is the best 3D printer to start with if you have no 3D printing experience whatsoever. And I think that even now, as I am recording this video during this Black Friday deal of 2025, I still think that Bambu Lab A1 combo is the best deal you can find on Bambu Lab's website right now, excluding the 18 bulk filament deals. If you know that you do need the enclosure and all of that, what that means, printing in like ABS or ASA, or if you do need like the actual Core XY and more stable printing experience, then of course the Bambu Lab P1S or even the P2S if you're outside of the US would be absolutely amazing. But just to summarize, I would say that go with the most expensive printer you can afford, as long as you get an AMS or an AMS light combo, because the combo is just so much more valuable than just getting like a standalone better printer, in my opinion. Another kind of question I receive a lot these days is which kind of accessories should I order together with my 3D printer? And I think I've actually covered all of those questions as well as in previous videos, so I will link those down in the description as well. I would definitely say that you should get one more spare plate. I made a video about this previously, and if you do read the instruction book, it says that you should actually wait like around 15 minutes until the plate has cooled down before you remove the plate from the printer. I have never received as many comments as when I said that, because it turns out that no one is actually doing this. No one is like physically waiting for the plate to cool down before removing it from the printer. And I don't do that myself either. As soon as the print is done, I just remove it and then I put on another plate and then I start with my next print right away. The problem is that although you can just flex your plate and then remove the print and then put the plate back and then start another print like right away, if you are starting to like bend the plate and remove the print before everything has cooled down, you do have a higher chance of not damaging the print, but like bending it or warping it, especially if you have like a bigger print that you do need to like bend quite a bit in order to remove from the plate. So I highly recommend to at least have 2 plates in total. My rule of thumb here is to have 2 plates per printer that I have. But there's one Bambu Lab plate that I do not recommend you to purchase, and that is this smooth plate from Bambu Lab. And I love the smooth surface of it, and I do have actually a lot of this plate, because this is the one I'm using for my smaller like keychains, because I do think that the surface just gets much better. But instead, what you should purchase is this dual-sided plate. Side note, one thing that I did not realize until like way too late is that all these plates can actually be used on both sides. So if you are getting like one smooth plate, it's smooth on both sides. But this dual-sided one is actually smooth on one side, and then it's the original PEI texture plate on the other side. And basically this is like 2-in-1, although all the plates are like 2-in-1, but these are 2 different in one. That was everything from Bambu Lab, and next up in this, at least for now, alphabetical order is BIQU, which is my absolute favorite third-party accessory brand for these Bambu Lab printers. A huge disclaimer, however, is that they have been so kind to send me all of these products for free, and I do have an affiliate link down in the description. But every single product I have used from them so far has been great, other than, I would say, the light bar or the LED light strip for the Bambu Lab A1, which was too great. It's too strong for recording time lapses with, which was my purpose for getting that light strip. So that's actually the only BIQU product I am not actually regularly using. Other than that, everything has been perfect. And my brand new absolute favorite product from BIQU is this filament rack storage behind here, behind this not so great IKEA shelf. This little filament stackable organizer holder may not look like much, but I have to say it is so good, especially if you are in such a small confined space like myself here. It is super easy to put together. It's like the Swedish IKEA experience, basically. But what I love is not only can it fit like 40 kilos, like 40 spools of filament, but it is actually like custom made for just holding up a spool. So it is like half the depth of a normal sized bookshelf in this size. You really feel that when you're like trying to like slide here between these tables and the shelf with my office chair here. And one more thing that I had absolutely no idea about is just how much easier it is and how much faster it is to just have everything not really organized, because I just like put it up on the shelf, but you see it on the shelf right away, and you don't have to like remove the bottom spools in order to like just find the one that you want if you just have it on a pile on the floor, which I know that if you don't have one organized place for it, you will have spools all over the place. I mean, I still have like, 40 spools here on the floor, so which is why I'm gonna ask BIQU if they can send me 2 more of these spool racks later this year. In addition to this, BIQU also have a build plate bulk sale, which I don't really know if you need 10 of these build plates, although I do think I actually have more than 10 right now. But I do highly recommend using a BIQU Cryo Grip build plate, which has like a more adhesion than the included PEI plate from Bambu Lab, but it also has like an added little extra handle like this, so the actual like grip area is just larger or more, which you really feel the difference, and it just gets a lot easier to handle it as well. And a side note, not technically a Black Friday discount, but they recently announced that they're gonna have an orange version of this Cryo Grip plate, which I think is gonna be absolutely amazing. And when that is released and hopefully arrives here in the studio someday, that is gonna be my go-to printer, because I absolutely love the color orange. The next brand in this Black Friday frenzy is SUNLU, with up to 42% off their PLA filament, which is $10.99 USD for 1 kilo with a spool. But more realistically, you will find that you have to pay $11.99, since, at least right now, the $10.99 is only valid for black color to Europe. But if that's what you want, that's where you're located, then it's $10.99 for SUNLU. And I have personally used SUNLU for, I think, at least like 3 months by now, and I have never had a single problem with any single one of the filaments. And actually, the SUNLU Wood PLA is my absolute favorite skin tone. You have it linked here on the screen now. I forgot exactly which kind of wood PLA, but I have to say, not only is like the color just like Swedish pale skin tone, which is beautiful, it just have a different feel to it as well. So for example, here you can really feel like the PLA filament plastic, but the wood PLA has a, I wouldn't say like softer touch, but it does have like a non-plasticky touch. And before you leave any comments saying that I love the feeling of touching wood, if you are going to go down to the comment section and leave such a childish comment, please do remember to subscribe and like this video on the way down as well. Next brand is Polymaker, with up to 45% off their website, plus an additional 5% cashback and a free spool if you do spend over 150 USD. I absolutely love Polymaker. I have personally used their Panchroma PLA and their Poly Light PETG, and I have, again, never had a single issue other than when myself screwed up the settings for the Panchroma, since this is called Polyterra and not Poly Light in Bambu Studio. Other than that, it has worked absolutely perfect. I have had no issues whatsoever. And although I have been comparing the basic PLA filament just to set some sort of a baseline here, because we're not going to go through every single filament that is up for sale in all 3 of these brands. When it comes to Polymaker specifically, their PETG, their Polylight PETG old formula, which means Polylight PETG, is actually even cheaper. You can get it for $12.65 per spool right now, and that is what I've been using for my multi-board setup behind these printers, and I have absolutely nothing bad to say about that at all. It works exactly as you expect it to work. And for someone who has experience using all 3 of these filament brands with mainly Bambu Lab printers, I would say that they all work absolutely perfectly. If you are using Bambu Lab spools in a Bambu Lab printer, they do come with an RFID tag, so you actually don't have to tell the printer which specific filament you have loaded. Adding that convenience is very well worth it. So although Bambu Lab is slightly higher priced, I would just say that it doesn't really matter because you do get that value back in terms of that RFID experience as well. But if you disagree, you're welcome to order any kind of filament that you want, of course. And one other thing that I just found a little bit weird is that if you go to Polymaker, because of their current Black Friday deals, if you're getting the Panchroma PLA with the old formula, meaning like the cardboard spools, that is actually cheaper than getting the new one refill. So what I said in my previous little reel about the Polymaker spools is that refill spools usually means cheaper spools, which may not be the case in this case. So yeah, do with that information what you want, but please do make sure to get the best deal possible for yourself during this year's Black Friday fiesta. And if you do have any other question regarding like Black Friday, regarding any of these brands, or just 3D printing in general, please do let me know by leaving a comment down below, and I will try to just pump out videos this week, because we do have some very interesting news and updates in about 24 hours as this video hopefully goes out. And then we are going to talk about some really cool brand new product releases and some other Bambu Lab A1 and just Bambu Lab accessories as well, which although they may not be on Black Friday promotion, I highly recommend to purchase for this Black Friday / Thanksgiving / holiday season 2025. Thank you all so much for watching. My name is Lucas. Starts with L as in like, ends with S as in subscribe. Please do both, and see you all in the next one.